When I am solving an equation, the usual case is that there is one single solution to the equation, one single value of x that makes the equation true. This first example is an example of an equation with one solution. Let's go ahead and solve this equation. My first step is to move the variable term. I can either add 2x or add 4x to both sides. I'm just going to add 4x because that gives me a positive coefficient. 1 minus 4x plus 4x is just 1. And then 9 minus 2x plus 4x is 9 plus 2x. Having moved the variable term, now I'm going to use inverse operations for subtracting 9 from both sides and then dividing by 2. This gives me my solution to this equation, x equals negative 4. X equals negative 4 is the only value of x that will make this equation true. If I plug negative 4 in for x, I'm going to get a true statement. 1 minus 4 times negative 4 equals 9 minus 2 times negative 4. 1 plus 16 equals 9 plus 8. This is a true statement. 17 does equal 17. True statement, x equals negative 4. If I perform the same process and use any other value of x, I will not get a true statement. If I plug in 1 for x, or 5 for x, or 37 for x, or negative 105 for x, none of those will give me a true statement. In the usual case, I have one single value of x that makes the equation true. There are some special cases. The first special case is when there is no solution, no value of x that makes the equation true. Let's solve this example, which has no solution. There's no distributive property, so I need to first combine like terms, combining 2x and negative 4x to get negative 2x. Negative 2x minus 1 equals 9 minus 2x. So I've simplified the left-hand side, and the right-hand side does not need to be simplified. Next step is to move my variable term. So I need to add 2x to both sides of my equation. This is my only option. If I want to get rid of this negative 2x, I add 2x. If I want to get rid of this negative 2x, I add 2x. Let's see what happens. Negative 2x minus 1 plus 2x, negative 2x plus 2x, those cancel, so I have negative 1 on the left. On the right, I have 9 minus 2x plus 2x. They cancel or they add to 0. So I just end up with 9 on the right-hand side. What has happened? What has happened is I no longer have a variable term on either the right-hand or the left-hand side. I have just ended up with a constant and a different constant. When you end up with different constants on either side of the equal sign, the solution is that there is no solution. Negative 1 does not equal 9. There's no value of x that I can choose that can make negative 1 equal 9. Therefore, there's no solution. No value of x can be found to plug into this equation and make a true statement.